everyone, welcome back with me, Meisya Aditya. What are you doing guys during the pandemic? I have new habit during this pandemic. I like watching Korean dramas. I always tempted whenever I was the actor or the actress eating Korean spicy chicken dish. That looks very tasty. Let's make it! Prepare all the ingredients and tools in the description box. And step 1, cut the chicken into cubes or bite size into pieces, like this. Cut all the chicken you have. After you cut them all, add some milk. Add lemon juice. Like this. And we need oregano. Like 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Then add minced garlic. You can use garlic powder too if you have, but I don't have it, so add some pepper. Yeah, little bit. And this is chili powder if you like spicy. Then soak the chicken in the marination mixture for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. For the wet batter, we need cornstarch, flour, and salt. And don't forget the egg. Yeah, crack 1 egg. And add some water too. Stir it like this. And for the dry batter, we just need cornstarch. This is the chicken after 30 minutes in the fridge. Drain into the cornstarch and then dip the chicken in the wet batter. It's time to fry the chicken. We use the deep frying method like this. Fry the chicken until light brown, okay? And then drain the chicken from oil until it starts to cool. Yeah. After the chicken is cool, fry for the second time until golden, crispy, delicious. Okay, it's perfect. And then drain and set aside. Let's go make the sauce. Mix the garlic with soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. And then sesame oil. Just a little bit. Okay. And then ginger. Honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. And the point is gochujang sauce. 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's cook it. Stir it well until it bubbling. Okay. Like this. Bubbling. Okay, mix the chicken with the sauce. Ooh, hot. Let's go stir it. Stir until it mixes. And the last step, serve on a plate and add green onion like this, and then sesame seeds for the garnish. Ta-da! Finally, your Korean spicy chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy your delicious Korean spicy chicken, everyone! I'm so happy for the result. Bye-bye! Next. This is a behind the scene. The dish. Okay, bye.